haven't ever been playing Toca. Okay, whatever. So which one do you want to pick? The stupid blue fat cheese nose, or the potato head guy with hair in his nose and mouth and everywhere, and even in his ear, cause he's old. Cause I want to be dead. Or okay, whatever. Or the monster I need to drink guy or something. Which one? Oh, you want the chef guy, huh? You want the chef? Sure want the chef. Sorry, I just had chicken nuggets like an hour ago. Oh, is that actually a real name? Oh, well, it's actually a name. Okay, sorry. That would have been a little bit loud. Sorry about that. Let's get some salt. Let's get some salt. Shut up. Salt. Okay, it's some spaghetti. I was about to say it wrong. And a little bit lemons. Yeah, I can't talk really. Hot sauce. Ketchup. Shut up. Okay. I don't know what this is. That better not be fish paste. Pepper. Shut up. Shut up, you stupid thing. It's a soy sauce. A little bit of lemons again. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit there. And a hot sauce. And red, and I don't know, and yellow, and I don't. Hold on. I'll put some hot sauce in here. It's a salt. It's a peppers. You better not make that face again. Ketchup. I can't even protect. Seriously? And I don't know what this is. Okay, tell me in the comments. I don't even know what it is. Shut up. Shut up! If you do that again, I'm gonna put a lot of hot peppers in here. Don't you make that face! Don't you make that face! Don't you dare! Oh, okay. What about this? Okay, what about this? You stupid shit! And some everything raw. No, eat that. You know, I wish there was a trash can or something so I could throw it away and eat it, or instead of just eat. Okay, whatever. And, shut up, shell. I'm getting everything raw on the list. Okay. Potatoes, fish. Shut up. If you like it, then why don't you? I shut up on your tummy. Oh my gosh, I hate him so much. I'm just gonna punch him in the face so much. Oh my gosh, I want to punch him to death. And yeah, I'll be right back. This is the sharp poisonous. Don't even drink it. Oh my gosh, you're gonna die so much. Oh my gosh. It has the ingredients has all this stuff that's raw and every single ingredient. Wait, what? I'm not supposed to tell. Oh no! Sorry. I mean, you probably saw it already, but yeah, I don't want to tell you what I did in the cutscene. So okay. Drink it. I want you to die. Anyways, I want you to die anyways. Okay. I'm gonna force you to drink this whole entire thing. Okay. Until we get to the next person. Alright, we're back, guys. I had a fart. Sorry, I don't know if you heard that or not. That was gross. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Which one do I want to put? Oh my gosh, This smells really bad in here, guys. Oh, oh no. I'll be right back. Hold on. I'll be right back. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, we're back, guys. Yeah. Anyways, sorry about that. Oh, okay. Okay. Which one do you want to pick? This stupid hamburger sea face between the nose guy. Why is your nose even? Or the monster guy or something. I don't know. You want the stupid hamburger sea face guy? Okay. Okay, whatever. I haven't tried this orange yet. Comment up below if you like oranges. Not the color. No, talk about the color. Not at all. I'm actually gonna do a pretty nice smoothie for her, cause shut up! Don't you dare eat it. Don't you dare, or else I'm gonna make it worse. Just like that sharp poisonous sauce or something. I don't know. Watermelons. Oh, okay. She likes everything I'm choosing. Strawberries? Wow, this is gonna be a good smoothie. What about corn? What? What? How about tomatoes? Are you serious? She likes it. What about this mushroom? Okay, eat it. Yeah, eat that thing too. How about this lettuce? Oh, pineapples. Don't think about the pizza plus pineapple. All right, this is what she likes everything smoothie. Okay, that's a stupid name. But okay. She better like it because I put everything that she likes in a fridge. Smoothie. What the heck? That is the stupidest name I've ever said. Okay, anyways, hope you like it. Come on, you better like it. What? I've heard every single thing she likes in it. What? Are you actually out of your mind? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna punch you in the face so bad. I'm gonna really punch you in the face really, really bad. That should pass out. Okay, I'm gonna cook 5 watermelon or deep fry something. I don't know if it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 4. We'll be right back. How is this thing fitting 4 watermelons in this deep fryer? That is crazy. Here's your cranberry juice. You better not drink it. You better not. Okay, whatever. Sorry. You better like it. It only has watermelons, except it's deep fried. But come on! Yes! She likes it. She likes the smoothie. Cool. I had to wipe the screen because there's spit on the screen. How about the corn? I make a corn smoothie with the corn surprise and the deep fried corn, the cob with the corn smoothie and the corn cob and something. Get that pizza out of here. I'm gonna put as many corns as I can to make a corny surprise and a corny smoothie and a corny surprise and everything else I can make corn. Oh my gosh, are you serious? The Toca catch a do game? Just crap! Alright, I'm back with the corny drink and the corny cob, a corn the cob, and preheated corn, and original corn, and a deep fried corn, what's cut of bread, and yeah, everything's corn. Okay, try this corny drink. Okay, she likes it. Okay, and now for the corny in the cup. Okay. Ooh, she likes it. Okay. How about corny bread with plus deep fried corn, and eat all this because it's good for you. And I deep fried. Oh no! I made her eat the preheated corn too. And just original corn. Okay. How do you like that corny surprise? Okay. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back, guys. We're gonna obviously pick the monster because he's always last. I don't know why. It's because he's stupid, ugly, fat. Okay. I'm gonna make a carrot surprise. Shut up! Alright, we're back with another corny drink and a deep fried corn plus corny bread. Or wait, what? Carrot bread. Yeah, I'm stupid. And deep fried carrots plus carrot bread. And cooked carrot but cutted. And yeah, that's all. First, we always have to do the drink, okay? Just spit on the screen. Just spit on the screen. Yeah, I'm just gonna be calm. You spit on the screen! You spit on the screen. I cannot believe you've done this. Yeah, I hate you. I actually hate you. Not you, viewers. Not you. Yeah, I'm talking about this stupid monster. I swear to God. Oh, God. He doesn't really care. Yeah, he doesn't really care. Oh, yeah, he doesn't care. But he's supposed to like it. He's supposed to like deep fried food, and I just don't care. What are you talking about? Oh, I swear, I'm gonna punch him in the face so bad. Oh my gosh. Oh, you want tomatoes? Then eat it. Eat it. Don't spit out the screen ever again. Okay. Ooh, pears. Then eat it. Eat it if you like it. The same thing. What? Salt. You know what I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, okay? A little bit. Shut up! I put as much salt as I can. What was that sound? I'm pretty hyper. Eat that salty tomato I made. Too salty! Or are you just sus? Are you just sus, monster? Or are you just doing that to waste my food? If you're actually trying to waste my food, or you're being sus, you're either gonna be punished, okay? Jeez, that's gross. Ew! I don't like this! This is so sus! Ew! Why? Ew, this is so sus. Oh my gosh. Please don't spam the comments, or if you're watching this right now, don't say it. Just don't say it. Just don't talk about it. Don't even talk. Oh my gosh. Oh. I do like peaches, but don't you dare spam the comments about. Oh my gosh! Hold on, I gotta throw up. I gotta throw up. Oh my gosh! Just eat it. I should have done this just one, not by cutting it. Just eat this thing. Don't talk about the planet. Don't talk about the ice planet that you know. Out of all names, me how to choose that stupid Ice planet, that name? Seriously? They could have chosen like all the other planets in the galaxies. Oh my gosh. Yeah, whatever. Have an orange. A little lemons. A little soy sauce. You didn't even seriously. A little ketchup. A little hot sauce. And I know what this is. Pepper and salt. How about that? Better like it. Okay, we're back, guys. Yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video here. So, comment down below, like, subscribe. What's your favorite kind of Toca Kids 2 video? Because I have like 35 hearts. I'm not gonna stop until I reach 100. That's my goal. Go check out my Geometry Dash account. It's called Fireblow 7561. Go check out that. Fire with the capital at the beginning, and so's the blow. Fireblow 7561, and subscribe, comment down below, and I guess I'll see you later. Bye.